Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to see your system performance and how much percentage you're using of your CPU, RAM, disk speed, and a bunch of other things. We're going to be doing this directly in Windows. You won't have to install any other software. Let's jump right into this. So what we need to do is open up our desktop, and we're going to be coming down to our taskbar in the bottom of our windows. We're going to be right clicking here and we're going to be opening up Task Manager. By default, most likely your Task Manager will be shown in this view where we can see open applications. In this case, what we can do is click the more details option, and here we'll get to see all open apps as well as a bunch of background processes, so we can add, open, or close these. We can also see how much percentage of our CPU, memory, disk, network, and GPU we're using, and you can then sort them by clicking the top of this to see which apps are being the culprit and causing the most effects. One thing I also like to see is clicking on the Performance tab, where we can then see these things in more details if you've got multiple disks. In this case, I've got my D and my C drive. We can also see how much RAM is being used, CPU, and you can really look at what's using your system and then determine if you want to close it, keep it open, or what you want to do with the applications. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to see what's using your system in Windows. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.